Hey and what's up guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can add Facebook like button on your page. So for now you need to open your Facebook and you need to go to your page. So let me find my page. So this is my page. Now you go click on it and then you scroll down, and you click on edit page. And the easy way to add the like button to your page is just change the template. So click on edit and now scroll down and choose the services one. There it is. Now just click on it and you can see it has lots of varieties and facilities. So you need to just apply the template. So just apply it and now just save it. And now the template has been applied. Now if you want to see how it looks, so just go back and first refresh it so that it get applied, and then you just scroll down and click on view as. And yes, you can see here the like button is added now.